Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power so you can work safely. Turn off the correct breaker and confirm with a non-contact tester at the socket. This prevents shock if wiring is live. Once done, position a small container for screws and keep a magnetic screwdriver handy to avoid dropping hardware. Make sure you have bright light and steady footing. You're beginning the job already. This prevents mistakes and speeds the next steps while keeping you and the circuit protected. You now remove the faceplate screws and lift the cover carefully. Do not pry at an angle because it can crack the plate. Once the cover is off, pull the outlet forward on its mounting bracket to expose terminals and wiring. This gives you room to see what's happening. Inspect for frayed insulation, burn marks, or loose connections. These indicate a repair or replacement is necessary. If wires look compromised, stop and consider a professional. Make sure screws stay organized for reassembly. You finish by loosening the ground screw first, then the neutral and hot terminals so wires stay labeled and straight. This order reduces accidental contact. If wires aren't labeled, mark them before disconnecting. Remove the outlet's mounting screws and withdraw the device from the box. When reassembling, reverse the steps. Tuck wires neatly, secure the outlet, reinstall the faceplate, restore power, and test. If the outlet still shows heat, sparks, or no power, shut the breaker off and call a licensed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.